Guys, happy Saturday everyone. This is the part of our cheese tsaka yung mga aming embutidas guys. Ayan. Aming part ng aming fruits. If you want guys, visit us in the Sun Village, Lloret de Mar, Girona, Spain. Hotel Sun Village guys. This is the part of our dessert. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ang aming pizza. At ang aming gumano. Ito yung mga grilled foods. Ayan guys. Aming mga pasta guys. Ayan. Ito ang aming main course. Ayan. Main course. Ayan guys. Ito yung part ng aking salad guys. Ayan. Ako po ang gumagawa ng aking mga salad guys. Ito po yung part.